another Halloween tutorial, and this one is like half done. But I couldn't reach the back of my head and I wasn't going anywhere, so I just have the front here for you. But this makeup look is really special, and this Halloween tutorial is really special because I am remaking a Halloween look that I did years ago. Essentially, as I like to call it, the look. This is the look right here. It is not my best work. It is horribly executed. It was completed and then posted because I didn't want fear to hold me back in worrying about what anyone had to say about it. So this look right here is a remake of what I would create if I were to be creating a pink alien makeup look with that same inspiration and colors and everything. And this is kind of what we've got here. If I were to do this one again, I think I would completely cut out the bald cap. Unless I did like a real bald cap and was really good at putting this stuff on, I think that I would just put my hair in a very low bun and that would be that. And I would just be a pink alien with a lot of glitter in my hair. So the bald cap didn't really work out for this video. You know, we're not trying to strive for perfection here. One of the biggest lessons I learned in creating that makeup look originally, the pink alien glitter makeup look, was that fear can hold you back from some pretty amazing things. And when I decided to let that fear go and just post that look, some really amazing things happened. So maybe this one will do the work as well. But I hope you guys like this look. I think it came out really pretty and really interesting. Not what I think I had in my brain, but I think it came out really good. And I hope you guys like it. I will show you how to get it in 3, 2, 1. Rock on, alien friends. For tuning in to this Halloween tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you enjoyed this glittery look. It's time for me to go and take it off. If you want to see how to get this makeup off or how I get this makeup off, please head over to my TikTok. You can find that in one of these corners. It's at Julia Salvia. And that's all I got for you. I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Alien kisses and rock on. Goodbye.